In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in Expensify, whether you logged a duplicate, added the wrong amount, or simply don't need an entry anymore. Deleting an expense can help keep your reports clean and accurate. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting an expense is permanent. If you think you might need the record later, consider editing it instead of removing it entirely. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, open Expensify on your device. Give it a second to load your latest data. If you use multiple workspaces or policy setups, make sure you're in the correct context so you don't remove something from the wrong place. Next, tap Reports at the bottom of the screen. This tab shows your expense reports, which often contain the individual expenses you've captured. It's different from the Expenses tab, which lists items on their own. We're using Reports here so you can quickly locate the expense in the report where it lives and check its context before deleting it. Now find and tap the expense you want to remove. You'll see the expense details like merchant, date, amount, and any attachments. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct item. If the expense is part of a report you're reviewing, verifying the details now helps prevent deleting the wrong line. From the Expense Details view, tap More. Depending on your device, this may appear as a button labeled More or as a menu icon with 3 dots. Opening this menu reveals additional actions you can take on the expense. Scroll down in the menu and tap Delete. If you don't immediately see Delete, continue scrolling to the bottom of the options. In some cases, the option may be unavailable if the expense is locked by a submitted or approved report, or if your account permissions limit deletions. If that happens, you may need to work with your admin or adjust the report status before trying again. Finally, tap Delete again to confirm. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental removals. Once you confirm, the expense is permanently removed from your account and any associated reports. Double check that the expense no longer appears in the report or expense list to make sure everything is tidy. A couple of closing tips. If you're managing reimbursements or audits, consider exporting or taking note of key details before deleting. And if you're cleaning up multiple items, take it slow and verify each one to avoid losing important data. That's it, quick, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.